What's your pet peeve? That's one of my favorite questions. I can't believe it. That. What drives you absolutely batty when you come into a client?
You know what? I really don't have a pet peeve when I have a client that comes into me, because I'm just like, yes, you came for help. Like, I love that, you know? I think when the interaction, I guess when we're in like prospect, you know, type of phases, that Google HR, oh, I'll just Google it, or, you know, I'll just do my, it's like, like, I just want to scream inside, because, you know, it's like, you are not, I don't want to see these small businesses. I've seen so many small businesses DIY their HR and get lawsuits and then go out of business. I've seen all of that. So those are like my pet peeves, where they're just like, no, we don't need you. It's like, kind of do, you know, like you kind of do. Those are my pet peeves. I mean, honestly, I do get some clients where they feel like they know more than us. And it's like, okay, like those are just, it just comes with the territory. It just comes with work. And I just find those as like challenges to just really show and prove to them that, you know, yes, you probably do know some things, but did you know this? And so it's just more education, more interaction. So I love things like that. But my pet peeve is, the new one now is like, oh, we just do copy AI. Like, you know, they know a lot of things. And it's like, they do. And we've tried it out too. And they didn't have the right answer on something. So it's like, you got to take it with the.
Well, it's only as good as the questions you ask. So there are people, what a lot of people don't understand on ChatGPT is that, you know, they think about AI, it is the framing of the question. So I asked her the question and say, hey, give me a sample complaint, employment law complaint. It gave me a basic one, except it didn't have any facts. It doesn't have, you know, it's not going to be able to draft me a complaint. Now, if you educate it and ask what most people are not going to know that, right? They're going to type in, give me a sample X, Y, give me a sample policy on leave of absences. Well, it's not California specific. It's not county specific. It's not city specific. Case in point, we're currently dealing with a lawsuit where we're going after a business that had 5 former employees, wasn't paying the West Hollywood minimum wage, which is different from the California minimum wage.
Yeah.
You know, I think I gave you that example as well. That the reality is people don't realize that there are cities that have higher minimum wages. So you may think you'll be complying, I'm paying the $15.50. Guess what? You're not paying the Long Beaches. You're not paying the city of Los Angeles. You're not paying San Francisco's. They have different hourly rates. And if you're not Santa Monica, you're not complying. Guess what? You just filed it law.
Exactly.
So DeShaunté, I just realized that we're doing this interview in the middle of the mid-year, which is perfect. I'm thinking I would love to have you on next year, maybe, or closer to November or December, if you're open to it. We talk about the new year. Yeah, if you're interested, and I think that'd be a great.
I would love to, and then we could talk about all those.
Let's see how many laws Newsom signs back.
Exactly.
It's probably competitive. It's probably going to put 2,000.
Yeah, you know, you got to keep coming with the laws. You know, you got to top last year, definitely.
Well, thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. And so, a couple of questions. We'll put up the link, but where can people find you?
Yeah, you guys can find us. Our website is thefirm.com. So THEFHRM, just like it is right there.
Awesome.
FHRM.com. So you can check us out there. We're on social media. So we're on like LinkedIn. You can find us on Instagram. You can find everywhere. Awesome. We're here. I promise you guys we're here. And then I'm sure our email address and phone number will come up as well on the link. So yeah, reach out to us. We are more than happy to help you guys.
Awesome. Thank you so much, DeShaunté.
Yeah, thank you.